Dog, check. Me, check. Wife, check. Let's go and get this stuff from the auction. Right, in a rush, and that's all the post going out today. 3 bags. Not bad, just for a weekend. Got about 10 minutes to get it down there. Back from the auction, and we've got everything unloaded. Let's take a look at what we got. And most importantly, how much we paid for it, and how much we think we're going to get. Let's start with the fails first. So these two are locked together, the drums and the stereo. I don't know whether you can read that. Small electrical drum set and the battery operated and small stereo. It was £3 and £1.20 premium. Not really worth anything. I might, if that works, you know, it might go for a tenner. It's only a pro line. It's not a very good make. And also this thing, it's just a child's toy. It might go for a tenner if it works. So £3 or £4.20. We might make a bit on them. What was this one? Box of toy horses. Nicola got this one, a box of toy horses, £7 with £1.51 premium, so £8.51. Can't see any like makers marks or anything on them. They're quite large. They look alright. Drop one. But yeah, this one's like cloth covered. It's got a few holes and stuff in the cloth. It's flucked. That's what?
Flock.
It's flocked. Ah,
Flock.
apparently the texture's called flock. It's flocked. I'd call it something else. But no, they look okay now. I have to do some research what these are, unless any of you lot know what these horses are. Someone might want them. Like a little bundle together. Oh yeah, he's not got even got a mane, that one. Oh, and he's a bit drunk. So yeah, they're the fouls. That was kind of joke for Nicola. Right, hopefully on to the good stuff. So we picked up this Iowa stereo with speakers, 2 of them. I didn't have this written down. It just came up and no one was bidding on it. It went for £3. Where's that one? Oh, that's it. That's on the top of this one. Iowa stereo system with speakers, powers up. That's all they said. £3 and £1.20 premium. So £4.20. It's got a 3 CD changer in it as well. Not quite as desirable as like the 5 CD changers, but usually if you've got like CD changers, they usually do a bit better. But yeah, this one could sell for maybe about £50. It is the ZL100. I'll probably separate these, maybe £50 on that, and maybe £20 for the speakers. So for £4.20, that should be pretty good. If it all works, it is. Right, then we had this mixed box of stuff. Got it for like the old vintage tennis rackets are in here. What did we pay on this? The mix lot. Pewter, Big Ben, desk clock, tankard and more. £8. With this one's got £1.44 premium and 29p VAT, so you work that out. Call it just under a tenner. So yeah, vintage tennis rackets. Haven't done much. Well, I haven't done any research on them yet. Eh? But yeah, we should get at least £20 from each. Maybe we need to just investigate them a bit more. So we got 3 of them. So for £8, I've only got to sell 1 tennis racket. Got some old vintage leather wallets. Are they real leather? Can't see, my eyesight's shocking. Smells like leather. But yeah, these might go on Etsy. I think these are all leather. I've just been informed they're all leather. So they might all just go on Etsy. More research to do on that. What is that, a reindeer on that one? Who knows? Yeah, some glass vases. Looks like a bedside clock. A Smiggle bedside clock projector. Obviously projects the time up onto your ceiling or something. There was this Big Ben clock we saw. Yeah, they usually do quite well. They're usually alright, but I think the spring's gone in that one. It doesn't wind up. And this bag with lots of badges on it. Who knows? But this one we did really just mainly get for these vintage tennis rackets, just to try them. We've not sold any before, but we're going to see how those ones go. But like I say, they could be 20 quid each maybe. I've just been informed 24 to 28 pound on the tennis rackets. Right, and we're nearly done. There's no money in media. So this one, have I got the right sheet? Yeah, so this one, the hammer price was, this is all going to be out of focus. The hammer price was £20, £3 premium and £3.60 premium and a 72p VAT on the premium. So just under 25 quid, 24.32. So yeah, 24.32 for this little lot. We have had a little look through it. Northern exposure. What did I say that was? Yeah, we've had a quick look at these. I think this Northern exposure set goes for like 30 or 40 pounds. 28 discs, the complete series, all seasons. So that would be alright. Fraser, the special edition box set. This one only goes for about 20 quid, but then that's near enough the cost of the box. And then this ER box set. Looks like this one sells for, I mean, people are selling it without the box. The box is a bit ropey and taped up. But people are selling this one for £45, £50 online. So for 20 quid, that's not too bad. A couple of sealed ones in here. 28 days later and 28 weeks later, that's sealed, but that's worth nada. Fiver with free post. We've got Prison Break, we've got Scream, got a couple of Doctor Who sets. Got The Office season 1 and 2. BBC Sherlock. The Godfather. So I've not really looked up any of these. Harry Potter, Hobbit, Alice Through the Looking Glass. Ooh, the Professionals. Used to love the Professionals. Bodie and Doyle. Cowley. Not bad. What else we got? Another Doctor Who 7th series. Oh, 24. Seen it all. Another Doctor Who 5th series. More 24. They don't go much. Roseanne, the complete 2nd series. She got banned in the new one. I wonder if that's worth anything. She got a new series got taken off air for a silly comment she made. I can't remember what it was. And yeah, a couple of sealed ones. Oh, Miranda sealed 1 and 2. Aliens 3. Yeah, I won't bore you with the rest of it. Oh, more Professionals. More Professionals. Dexter. Back to the Future trilogy. Smokey and the Bandit, one of my all-time favourites as a child. Walking Dead. 1st, 2nd and 3rd. So yeah, our money's safe with this one, although we went up to 20 quid. Some of these box sets are worth it. Another sealed one. Happy Feet and the March of Penguins. So, a couple of sealed ones. Smallville. Ultimate Force 1 and 2. Music Zone 25.97. Don't know about the rest of them, but we're definitely making money. Quantum Leap. Dexter. Yeah, Nightmare on Elm Street. And Life of Animals. Life of Mammals. Sealed, the complete series. So that's it for the DVD. So yeah, that was worth it. Because we all know there's no money in media. As everyone keeps saying. What's it all about?
Oh, my finger.
Use the knob to tilt up and down.
Oh.
And I'm not the knob. I'm going to put you in the vlog.
No.
Right, and the best lot of all, a full set hopefully, of Britannica encyclopedias. This one, I'm not sure whether you're going to see it, whether it's going to come out on here again. So that was £3 with the £1.20 premium, so £4.20. Now during the, that's a bit close.
It's not close.
Now during the first lockdown and the first year of that virus word, we were selling quite a lot of these. There was a lot of people on that were doing Zoom conferences, and they kind of like wanted these as their backdrop on their bookshelf. We actually made quite a bit of money on buying these for £3 and selling them for hundreds. This lot is probably worth, there's been a set sold on eBay for £180, and it's what we have sold them for before. Now, whether it's the same, whether it's going to be the same as lockdown, and whether people still want these, the last set sold within the last 30 days, I think it was. So hopefully these will sell as well.
Can I just say, you know when I bought those duff horses,
Mm.
you named and shamed me. Oh, where's my name for this one?
I'll do it at the end.
Hey?
I'll do it at the end.
No, don't worry. Just saying.
Right, that's moving all over the place. Can you just hold it still?
Yeah.
Right, let's stop laughing.
I've got a stitch.
Right, now you need to do your research on these though. Not all Britannica encyclopedias or other encyclopedias that sell this well. There are only certain variations or certain editions that sell this well. So yeah, and also be aware of like condition of these, where people just leave these on their shelves. They can get damp, which is a breeding ground for bookworm. You'll notice it because there's all little holes and tracks through the sort of backs and inside of the paper. You don't want them in your house at all because bookworm will spread to everywhere, any books you've got. So yeah, just be careful of that. But that's about it. This lot that Nicola picked out made the got to give her some credit sometime. It made the journey worth it. Yeah. So whatever we paid.
Sorry.
No, sure, it's a minute. So whatever we paid to the auction house, we've also like £20 of petrol to get there, drag it all back here. That one's made the journey worth it. And spending all day yesterday on an auction site. That's it. Let me know your comments. Let me know your thoughts. Stop laughing, Nicola. Give this video a like. Comment on it. Please subscribe. Let me know whether you'd pick these up. And thanks for watching. And see you in the next one.
Come on, Rodney. Get the van. We're going to sell some CDs. DVDs.
Oh, that's another one.
No.